So we needed to upgrade our city council chambers audiovisual television system. Our system was coming on to about 4 or 5 years old. And as you know, technology is always changing. So we needed to find somebody that had cutting edge technology, that had some vision, that thought outside of the box. We put out our bids. The most responsive was Team First Technology. Patrick right away sat down with me and said, "What's your vision here, Joe? What are you looking at and what's gonna make you happy? What's gonna make the community happy?" So our improvements that we made were twofold. We needed to do audiovisual upgrades to the actual chambers for in-house presentations. We needed a simple, easy system for staff that's not tech savvy, that they can just walk in, they could connect any device to our system, and it would pop up on our monitors. That was important. It needed to be simple. Phase 2 of our project involved upgrading our TV channel to high definition, taking out the old system of the console shell and bringing in a new system to be placed in there and make it functional. What was difficult was the scheduling of hours, because we are doing an upgrade to the most used room in the city of Santa Fe. They were very accommodating with it, and they were very understanding. And they knew we had meetings later in the evening. They would clean up everything. They kept things functional, where we'd be able to still have presentations on the screens, where we would be able to still have audio. They made it where only the people that were involved knew that something was going on in the chambers, which I thought was amazing. The craftsmanship and care that they put into the installation and the pride that they take in their work to make sure that things are working was very impressive to me. And the responsiveness. They don't write you off when they're done with their project. They want to make sure that you're happy and that things are working correctly. And that's important in today's world.